Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Today, I'm going to tell you a story that is really helpful. This story has so many daily useful sentences. Listen carefully and repeat them again and again. It will help you learn English faster. If you want to improve your English and also move forward in life, you should definitely watch this. So stay with me, and let's start. My name is Arman. I am 16 years old. I come from a small and poor family. My father drives a taxi. My mother takes care of our home. I have two younger sisters, Sarah and Hina. Life has never been easy for us, but we always stick together. Every morning, I wake up before the sun rises. I wash my face with cold water. I brush my teeth. I make my bed. Then I help my mother make breakfast. Today, she cooked simple eggs and bread. I also help my sisters get ready for school. Sarah is 10 and Hina is 8. They fight sometimes, but I always try to stop them. After that, I pack my bag and put my lunch in my small box. Then I leave for school. The walk to school is long. Sometimes, the sun is very hot. Sometimes, it rains heavily. My shoes get wet, and my clothes become dirty. But I enjoy walking. I like to see the trees, the birds, and the little shops on the way. I sometimes say, "Good morning," to neighbors. They smile back. At school, I am quiet. I do not talk much. Many classmates wear fancy clothes. Many have expensive gadgets. I do not have those things. Sometimes, they tease me. They laugh at my old clothes. Sometimes, I feel sad. But I always tell myself, it does not matter. What matters is hard work. One day, the school announced a national science competition. The prize was a college scholarship. My heart started beating fast. I wanted to join the competition. But I did not have a computer. I did not have enough materials. I felt scared. I felt hopeless. Then I remembered my mother's words, "Never give up, Arman. Work hard, and you will find a way." I decided to try. I said to myself, "I can do it. I will do it." Every evening, I worked on my project. I collected broken parts from old machines. I read books from the library. I watched videos online. I tried again and again. Sometimes, my project broke. Sometimes, I failed. I felt tired. I wanted to quit. But I remembered, never give up. Sometimes, I stayed awake late at night. The house was quiet. I could hear the wind outside. I sometimes whispered to myself, "Just one more try. Just one more try." My father saved a little money to help me. He gave me a small screwdriver set. My mother encouraged me every day. "Arman, you are strong. You can do it," she said. My sisters also helped me. Sarah painted parts for my project. Hina cleaned my tools. There were many difficult days. Once, I accidentally dropped a very important part of my project. I cried. I felt like everything was lost. But my mother came and said, "Mistakes happen. Don't worry. Try again tomorrow." I learned that mistakes are part of learning. I also practiced speaking in English while explaining my project to my sisters. "Hina, this is the battery," I said. "It gives power to the motor." Sarah asked many questions. I answered in English. Slowly, I started speaking more confidently. Months passed. I worked every day. Sometimes, I worked at school during free periods. Sometimes, I worked at home at night. I learned many things about electricity, motors, and machines. I learned patience. I learned how to focus. I learned that success comes slowly, not quickly. Finally, the day of the competition arrived. I carried my simple project to the school hall. Many students had shiny and expensive projects. Some had computers, robots, and fancy lights. My project was small. It had old wires, broken motors, and cardboard. I felt nervous. My hands were shaking. Some students laughed at me. "Why is his project so simple?" they whispered. I felt my cheeks burn. But I remembered my mother's words, "Never give up." When it was my turn, I explained my project carefully. "This is my motor project. It uses old batteries and broken parts. I tried many times. I made mistakes. But I never gave up. And it works." The judges smiled. They asked me many questions. I answered each question clearly. I explained how I collected parts, how I fixed mistakes, and how I made it work. I also used English sentences I practiced with my sisters. I said proudly, "Hard work is more important than money." After all students presented, the judges discussed quietly. I felt nervous again. My heart was beating fast. Then the head judge stood up. "Today, we saw many amazing projects," he said. Some students had expensive parts. Some had fancy designs. But the student who showed the most hard work, creativity, and determination is. My heart stopped. I held my breath. Arman. I could not believe it. I ran to the stage. My father, mother, and sisters were clapping. I smiled. I felt proud. I felt happy. I learned that hard work, patience, and never giving up are more important than money or fame. From that day, my life changed. I got the scholarship. I learned English better because I spoke every day while explaining my project. I also learned how to solve problems, help my family, and never be afraid of failure. Now, when I wake up in the morning, I still help my mother and sisters. I still walk to school. I still face challenges. But I am confident. I know that if I work hard, I can achieve anything. And that is my story. I hope you learned something today. Remember, never give up, work hard, and always try your best.